Hey everyone, welcome back. Now, I tend to make a lot of card of the day videos showing jersey cards and some autos. This card is not a jersey or an auto, but it's a cool card nonetheless. None other than the Grade 8, Alex Ovechkin, chasing Wayne Gretzky's all-time goal scoring record. This is a first year card, not a rookie, first year card. It's from 2006, 2007 Upper Deck BeeHive. So if you're an Alex Ovechkin fan, you can find this card on my store right now. You can find the eBay store by checking out the link, which is in the description of my Instagram and TikTok page. You'll be able to find this and other really cool cards on my store for very affordable prices. Check it out.